What's up, guys? Guess what we got here? Football. Let me flip this screen. Football. It's time to shoot some footballs. I forgot how many of them we got. I always forget the count. I think it's 20. Let's count them. Let's not guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20, right, Jasmine? Okay, we got 20 footballs. I'm gonna use a Glock 19 as usual, and Glock 19. I'm using a 9mm hollow points, Federal, and these are the HSC ones. How many grains? 124 grains, 9mm, and this is how it looks for all you people out there. Okay? Alright, let's go ahead and get busy. How many do you guys think that it will do? Stop a hollow point. 10, 15, 9? Okay. Hey, that's better. You want to follow? Alright, here we go. None of them moved. Okay. Lost the air, that's for sure. There's a hole right there. I should have put it on the orange side, but anyway, it went right inside the black right there. So that's 1, 2, 3. So the hole is getting a little bigger. 5. Some stuff here. 5, 6. Some particles right there. 7.
Okay, that's the ending of that video, so yeah.
What? 18.
Gosh.
Wait, what? Trust me, I died on stage. No, mine. You're a car stealer. No, I didn't make it. 19. Did you make it? No!
I want you in the back.
Yes, ma'am.
Spam. You already told us this 50 times.
No, my gosh! What's the last level?